first of all, we are going to talk about what these terms mean. And when I'm saying, what are the 5 reasons to put into place a worry-free estate plan, you might be saying, well, what the heck is an estate plan? And then most people will say, and I sure don't understand what elder law is either. So don't feel like you should understand or have any knowledge of any of these terms. So we're going to start really with some basics on that. So when we're talking about why should you have an estate plan in place, you should have an estate plan in place because everybody says you should have an estate plan. You should have an estate plan in place because it actually is something that provides protections to you. And as we go through the talk today, these are some of the reasons why you might want an estate plan. Long-term care costs are the #1 threat to a senior's financial security. Was anybody in the room when Heidi just spoke? Okay. I don't know, did she tell you any costs about assisted living, adult family home, skilled nursing? It's expensive. You know, skilled nursing can be over $10,000 a month. It doesn't take long for people to run through their savings at that level. So one of the things that an estate plan can do is help protect you against long-term care costs, and we'll talk about that. Taxes. Most people think, oh, I need an estate plan so that I can avoid taxes. We'll be talking about how in a situation where you might be facing, your estate might be facing taxes, and the type of estate planning documents that can protect you against paying taxes. I'm really big on this, keeping other people out of your business. An estate plan is the way that you can make sure your voice is heard, your plan is in place, and that you are not having to go to the court or having the state tell you a lot about, what your life should look like. And I know a lot of us want to make sure that we have independence and autonomy, and the estate plan is going to help you with that. Simplifying estate administration, what that means is when you die, we don't want to leave a mess, we want things to be easy. And then, of course, to provide for those you love. So these are reasons and outcomes of an estate plan, but I haven't told you anything about an estate plan yet.